Okay, welcome to the demo of Social Psychology Online. When students first enter the course, they are met with the Start Here content area. They can see the QM badge that certifies that this class meets Quality Matters review standards. Upon entry into the class and the Start Here, the first thing they see is an introduction. And here I make a introduction video where I introduce myself just as I would in an in-person class. It's only about 3 or 4 minutes long. If you scroll down, I have a navigation video, and this is a tutorial where I walk the students through the online course so that they can see all of the components of it, along with a transcription of the navigation video. All videos are closed captioned and/or provide a transcript so that they're ADA compliant. Next, I have an online readiness self-test, followed by the syllabus. I have a student learning objectives alignment matrix, and this is where I created a chart that demonstrates alignment between the course learning objectives and the weekly learning objectives, as well as the weekly learning objectives and the assignments and assessments. Some further resources under the Start Here, I have computer plugins so that the students can check their computer to make sure that they have the necessary plugins required to view the content of the course, and the site also checks your computer. I have an introduction to the Blackboard learning environment, minimum technical skills requirement, the Blackboard accessibility statement, campus access policy, and then the QM certificate again. This is all located under Start Here. On the left-hand side of the course content area, you'll see a Start Here. I have the syllabus again for their review in case they want a quick and easy access, because when you click on the syllabus, then it brings you directly to it pasted in, and that way they don't have to go to an outside document. This is the announcements area where I am able to make announcements and also email students through the announcements page. Course content. If you click on course content, you will see that each week is set up in a folder. So I have week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. all the way through week 4, 5, etc. So when you click on week 1, each content area is consistent. And so each folder has student learning objectives where I state the weekly learning objectives. The second folder involves readings and lectures. The third folder is the introduction blog, and the fourth is the quiz. And I do the same thing for each week. So one thing the students like is consistency in the format. Here is the research paper information, and under the research paper information, I have information for them to write their research paper. And I also made a navigation video. So here students can go and access a library tutorial in which I made a video to show them how to do research, just as I would in an in-person class where I take them into the lab and show them the library. So this is the folder where they can get all their information for their research paper. I have here Message the Professor, and this is a really handy tool because it just reminds the students that I want them to message me within the Blackboard course. So with my in-person students, I have them emailing me, and with my online students, I use the messages feature in Blackboard. So this is a Message to the Professor where they can go here. I also have student resources. When they click here, they're able to see the announcements again, contacts, messages, and their current grades. And under contacts, I have all the necessary contacts for myself, the Blackboard Help Desk, the Technology Help Desk, the Student Services with Disabilities, etc. Here is their My Grades where they can click on their current grade and access their grades. I have a do-it-yourself grade book because I use percentages, and this way they can project the future grades that they would get. So they can plug in their scores on assignments and calculate their grade. So it's a spreadsheet. It's sort of meant to provide a what-if to calculate what they are needed to achieve in the course. I also have a link to my textbook website, my own website for the campus. And this is a Blackboard survey, and actually I created this survey on my own. I like to deploy it around week 4, and that way I can get some feedback from the students to see how they're feeling about the online class. All right, that's it.